Osaka already because we've only been here for like 3 days, but we've got a whole week in Tokyo and a lot planned. And then after that we're going to Korea, so. Whenever we're traveling to different places, but it's not so bad during the daytime. We'll be back in Tokyo soon. Cold today. Look at this. Oh my goodness. I finally found it. Oh my god.
Your order will arrive shortly.
This is the sound, this is the sound of the
They don't do hot chocolates and they don't do standalone sushi. It's really good.
So cute.
Get fucking good. You're built like this train.
What did you? Oh. Hi, we are now getting ready to go out to dinner. And we're all really lazy to find a place, so we're going McDonald's. McDonald's in Shibuya. Oh yeah, we're going back to Shibuya because we want to see the Shibuya sky. But we were too tired before, so we came home. It's been a long day. We're on our way to McDonald's now. Yesterday was kind of a write-off because we had planned to go to Shibuya Sky and forgot to book tickets. So we had to rearrange that to fit in another day. And the weather was also really bad, so it's not like it would have been a really pretty view anyways. But now we're going to Sensoji Temple today to look at like the markets and stuff like that. My boys really wanted to get McDonald's for lunch. So yeah.
You want to sit next to me?
It's too hot, Ma.
100.
Yeah. So we are just back at the hotel. I'm on my way to 7-Eleven to get some snacks because I'm fucking hungry. But look at this. And I'm waiting for my laundry to be done as well because I had a lot of washing to do. And yeah, it's a fucking nice day today compared to yesterday at least. Got the kids. On my way back to check on my laundry. We're meeting up with my flatmates Emily and Nathan later as well for dinner, which is very exciting. I haven't seen them in like over a month because they went to Taiwan beforehand. So yeah, looking forward to it.
Yes. Ash is like sweet mint, right?
Where's Nathan? Nathan 4.
Nathan. Ala 1. Hi, actually.
Do you like sours? Do you like highballs?
I like sparkling water.
True. Where did this come from? Hi guys! We're fucked. We are in Shinjuku. And we're gonna go, where are we going? I don't know. We're gonna go out. I don't know if I want to put this in the vlog, but I just want to record. Here we are. Who's it calling?
Jack. Why do you do this? Why do you do that? 24.
Hi. 449A.
449A and the 9s disappeared, so like 449.
Just 449.
There was like a line of us. There was like 4 people.
What are we doing? What are we?
Fucking Shibuya. What did you say? Ellie's cute as fuck.
Ali, no, this
Buh.
that ain't it. That is it.
Where are you going?
One drink, 800 yen.
No charge, no rip-off. What does that even mean?
Oh, there's so many bars. Just go into one of them. The next capacity is like 6.
Where's he going?
Rocky? What's 8?
Nah.
We might be able to fit it here.
No, evacuate.
Why?
It was like 1 girl.
What does it mean by charge?
And 10 guys. Give me
Oh
a
shit.
Like none of them had music playing.
We decided to grab a beer. Sheesh.
Extra.
Fuck.
Everything.
Jan.
He's a good
Oh, I fucked Emily.
I need to sneeze.
우리 지금 신주쿠 있어요.
One? Nah, fuck you. Come on.
Get it. Yeah. Hey.
Eat some more Big Macs, bro.
Hi guys, it's now what's time?
2:18.
What the fuck are we still doing
I'll
out?
go home until 5 a.m. Yay.
Mom, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry.
Sorry, I'm a disgrace.
Fuck, you want a treat?
Hey!